Audubon water bird! Oh! This is the Wild Republic Audubon Birds Water Bird series. I have the full series, and here it is right here. I'm going to show you it. So, pretty awesome series if you ask me. These are the water birds. They're mainly ducks and this goose and this loon. So, let's go each bird. To each bird. Here is the canvasback. This is the canvasback. He's really cool. He was made in 2001, and he's really stupid. Look at this stupid guy. He's stupid. Hey, are you stupid? Yeah, I'm stupid. Correct. Stupid. He has a white back, black chest. His head's red with red eyes, and he has a leather beak. His head's actually more orange than red, actually. 2001. He's silly. And he's really rare, I think. Canvasback. Here is the Mallard. Basically a recolor of the canvasback. But, yeah. Basically a recolor of the canvasback. But still cool. So the Mallard guy, he also works. So he basically just looks like a mallard. He has a green head and red eyes, same color eyes as this guy has. He has a brown chest, gray body, white belly, black butt, I guess, brown chest, and his beak is leathery. He works. I already played him, but I cut the video for the, yeah. So here's some ducks. Here's this guy. Oh, by the way, they have names. This guy's name is Mallard. This one's name is Dracker. And here's our next one. This is the Canada goose. Canada goose, pretty silly. Pretty accurate. It's just like a Canada goose. Black head with the beak, black beak. This white thing that Canada geese have. Gray back, white stomach here, black butt, and brown under the wings. His name is Hank. Here is the green winged tail. Now this guy is cool. This one has its tag still. Audubon Birds, the Thrill Bird calls Wild Republic Water Bird Series 1. And with a painted painting of a wood duck on it. Even though this is not a wood duck. He also works. Look at this guy. He's pretty cool. He has a gray back, like this buff band right here. This white triangle, and he has spots on his chest here. He has a brownish, reddish, orange head with the green eye stripes, and he also has red eyes with a black shiny beak. His name is Teal, because he's a green-winged teal, get it? Let's look at the tag on the back here. And, yeah, I can look at the inside. Pretty cool. So, yeah, that's the green-winged teal. Here's the common loon. Cardinal. Anyway. So here is the common loon. That's a cool noise. So this one his name is Starry, I believe. He's pretty cool. He has a bunch of these little spots all over him. His flanks are polka dotted. He has like these dots here. His beak is not leather, but it's fabric. Also, he has red eyes. Again. Here's his tag. He was released in 2001, I believe. May 1st of 2001. So this tag is inaccurate, which means he is flawed. So, pretty cool bird. Pretty nice. Oh, I forgot to be rating these guys. 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10, 6 out of 10, 7 out of 10, 6 out of 10. And we have the wood duck. This one's pretty. He's pretty nice. She, I mean. Well, actually, is it a he or a she? I know the color is based off the male wood duck, but I don't know what the gender of the bird, like the character. I mean, they all have personalities, and you know. But the name is Colors, because he's colorful. She, I don't know. Orange chest here. Buff sides with these white and black stripes here. Gray back. A white triangle, like a bunch of these have. And really striking head pattern, as well as a pink beak, a red beak actually, with unidentified material on the surface of it. And that's all. This is all of the Waterbird series. They were released in, the Waterbird series started in December of 2000. So yeah, look at them all. Aren't they cool? And there's also big versions that I have. I have 3 of them. Here's the big version of the Mallard. See, it's just this guy, but he's bigger, see? They're basically the same, except this guy has a purple stripe on his wing. This one doesn't, which is actually more accurate to the actual Mallard. So I'll put that there. Oh, he works, I think. Oh, wait, no, it doesn't. Black butt. How many of these have black butts? This one... Wow, 4 of these guys have black butts. That's incredible. Anyways. And here is the big version of the wood duck. The shape is a little different. This one has the leather beak, except it's peeling off. This one was made in 2001 as well. I think most of these were made in 2001, based on the tags. So this one works. Yeah, not that great of a sound. It's a bit quiet. And here's the large version of the canvasback. This guy. They're pretty much the same, but this one has the same beak. They both make a similar, basically the same recording. So that's cool. And there's also a large version of these and this one, I just don't have them. Now, how about the new designs? Yeah. I hope this doesn't hurt too much. This thing is atrocious. New design Mallard here. It's pretty accurate, but it's not that good design-wise because all the colors are just printed on instead of individual stitching like these guys have, which looks really off. Anyways, pretty much it looks like a Mallard. It has the blue wings. The head is really cool though. The blue and green mix here. The green beak. This one was made in 2017. And I got this one a really long time ago. And I still have it somehow. Here's another one that I got a while back. This was also from 2017. This is the new design version of the common loon. Neither of these two work right here. So yeah, this is all the water birds. Yeah, they're really awesome. I like them. Boom! Boom! I just killed the water birds. They're dead now.